are at Speedfest 2013. A lot of the ARCA CRA cars on this front line up here. There's the second car in the line here, belongs to Chase Elliott. He just announced this week that he's going to be driving a lot of the truck series this year. Already a packed house here in the pit area. Going to be a big crowd on hand today as far as drivers, teams, and all getting ready for the race. Get a feel for the track today is what I understand, and the serious stuff will take place tomorrow. Here's two of the people that are integral in getting this race going this year. That's Brett Reagan, son of Marvin and Terry Short. It's almost noontime here on Friday. These cars should be going out. Practice starts at noon, and I think they're going to do it in 30-minute intervals. The CRA cars, ARCA cars will go out for 30 minutes, then the Jegs cars will go out for 30 minutes. They alternate throughout the afternoon. NASCAR driver David Reagan's car, they're getting ready.
Also have ice for sale down the concession stand inside as well. If you need ice,
John Hunter Nemechek's car. He would be the son of Joe Nemechek, NASCAR driver. Lots of work going on here, getting these cars ready for practice. Right at noon on Friday, they're waiting on the ambulance to get here. Safety's always first in these events, so it should be getting started shortly here with the practice. David Hodges from Valdosta here. Harrison Burton will be driving, the son of Jeff Burton. Kyle Benjamin is here. He won this race, or won the race at Cordell at the end of the season last year to win the championship. He was in the race that first year and promptly went down to the Daytona area, I believe in New Smyrna, and won several races that week.